Hey everybody, this is Vincent Martone here at MarineMax Clearwater, and today I'm going to take you through the new 2020 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. This particular Outrage is equipped with triple 300 naturally aspirated V8 Mercury engines. These are the new ones. We have a summer kitchen here, of course seating in the back. If you want to come on board, take a look at the helm. We've got your twin Raymarines, fusion stereo, of course joystick piloting, Raymarine VHF, triple helm captain seats, outriggers. Come on up front. But don't forget to take a look inside the cabin. The cabin is huge on the 380 Outrage. Moving forward, plenty of room up in the bow area for entertaining or fishing. All the cushions can be easily removed for your fishing buddies. They'll be placed back down for a little bit of entertaining and relaxing, maybe trolling through the canals of your neighborhood. If you'd like to see more about this 380 Outrage or any of our other Boston Whalers or any of our other products here at MarineMax Clearwater, you can reach me at area code 803-760-0609. Why don't you just drop by, pay us a visit. Talk to you guys soon.